Oaky Woodsman here. I've got a few dead trees I'm going to take down. We've already went ahead and got this line up in the tree, and mostly just to, I think I could fell this in the right direction, but there's some lines over that way, and I just want to make sure it goes in the right spot. We got the truck over there, and we're going to go ahead and cut. This is a dead oak. I don't know how solid it is, but it should I think it'll go fairly well. We're going to use the 562 XP, the 60cc engine, 28-inch bar. My 28 was perfect. I almost didn't bring it. I'm glad I did. I'm gonna go ahead and limb a little bit off of this. We're helping our friends basically get the trees down on the ground, okay? I'm not cutting up these trees entirely. There's a white oak at the end that I kind of want to get into a little bit, but at the same time, I'm happy with this. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna buck the limbs off right here, make it so they can drive by. Alrighty, so this is gonna be tree number 2. I learned something on that last one. My 562 ran good. It pulled good. That was a decently solid red oak, okay? There was a little bit of rot on the outside edge, but it was good solid wood. Dead trees are harder to cut than green trees, everybody, and they dust more. But I will say this, I really missed having the full wrap on the bar. I like using that saw, but for felling, I'm gonna move over to this 620, and the reason why is that way I can put myself in the safest orientation around that tree, doing my face cut, doing my back cut, and so forth. That tree right there, I didn't line up everything as well as I could have, partially due to experience, partially because I was in a rush, partially too because I was cutting from an uncomfortable position. I really wanted to flip that saw over at one point, and I just couldn't do it. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this saw, get suited up, get this saw in the wood. This is a 24-inch bar, and we're gonna fell this. We're not gonna have to put a rope on it. it moved at all?
It just shakes a little at the top.
Oh my gosh. Is it moving?
Yep. It's about to go.
Is it?
Well, it's becoming more active.
Oh no. Gosh dang it. That stinks. I hate these wedges. My cut's bad. All right, analysis. I know what happened here. Man, I'm whooped. I'm whooped. So, what we got is a back cut and a face cut. What's that thing Buckin says? He says, you can judge a man by his stump. Well, only thing I did successfully is get the tree on the ground, okay? I came in low on my stump. This thing had a hard lean. I had to pretty much come over here and nibble. I mean, there was a tiny hinge here. I knew where I was getting close to the hinge, but guys, I was wedging, and these wedges don't stack well. Those white wedges, I feel like those white wedges they have out west stack a lot better. These just kept popping out. They kept popping out of the tree. Anyway, so that now is officially the largest tree I've ever cut, actually, diameter-wise. I'm gonna put my 28 up there and let's see what it looks like. So
probably 30.
Yeah, probably about 30 inches. And you can see right here where I was nibbling on that hinge. I was going parallel with my hinge, okay? But with the lean that tree had, at the same time, it did have limbs cantilevered off the backside, off the sides and everything. And so I knew this tree was gonna be kind of weird with that. But at the same time, matching up my cuts, coming in above my face cut would have absolutely helped that to go better. I wouldn't have had to beat my wedge so hard. I basically had to I had to basically break this off right here. Had this just been like that, but listen guys, once you're cut this far in, you're committed. Unless, well, if you have more experience, you might not be committed, but I certainly was committed with my knowledge level. So anyway, well, that's 3 dead trees. This is good, solid red oak, or yeah, it's like it's good and solid. It looks nice. It should be good firewood for the property owner, some friends of ours, and this will be nice because they'll be able to mow and not worry about limbs dropping off on them. So, thanks for watching, Okie Woodsman. I appreciate you being here. Leave any advice that you can in the comments. I'm open to suggestions. I'm aware of the things I've done wrong, but please tell me if I'm wrong in my analysis. If I could do something else better or a tip, let me know. I'm all ears. So thanks again. Have a good one.